Assalamualaikum and hi guys, welcome back to Tech Titan 01 channel, and in this video we will be talking about computer network.
Do you guys know what is computer network? Actually, computer network is a system that connects two or more computing devices for transmitting and sharing information. Computing devices include everything from a mobile phone to a server. These devices are connected using physical wires such as fiber optics, but they can also be wireless. Computer networking is the branch of computer science that deals with the ideation, architecture, creation, maintenance, and security of computer networks. It is a combination of computer science, computer engineering, and telecommunication. Next, I want to share with you guys about the key components of computer network. From a broader lens, a computer network is built with two basic blocks, nodes or network devices, and links. The links connect two or more nodes with each other. The way these links carry the information is defined by communication protocols. The communication endpoints, the origin and destination devices are often called ports. So, the first components of computer network is network devices. Network devices or nodes are computing devices that need to be linked in the network. Some network devices include computers, mobiles, and other consumers' devices. These are end devices that users directly and frequently access. For example, an email originates from the mailing application on a laptop or mobile phone. Next one is servers. These are application or storage servers where the main computation and data storage occur. All requests for specific tasks or data come to the servers. For routers, routing is the process of selecting the network path through which the data packets travels. Routers are devices that forward these packets between networks to ultimately reach the destination. They add efficiency to large networks. For switches, a switch is a multiple port bridge. Multiple data cables can be plugged into switches to enable communication with multiple network devices. The last one is gateways, are hardware devices that act as gates between two distinct networks. They can be firewalls, routers, or servers. The second component is the links. Links are the transmission media which can be of two types, wired and wireless. Examples of wired technologies used in networks include coaxial cables, phone lines, twisted pair cabling, and optical fibers. Optical fibers carry pulses of light to represent data. As for the wireless, network connections can also be established through the radio or other electromagnetic signals. This kind of transmission is called wireless. The most common examples of wireless links include communication satellites, cellular networks, and radio and technology spread spectrums. Wireless lines use spectrum technology to establish connections within a small area. The third component is the communication protocols. A communication protocol is a set of rules followed by all nodes involved in the information transfer. Some of the functional layers of communication links are network access layers, internet layer, transport layer, and application layer. Network access layers defines how the data is physically transferred, includes how hardware sends data bytes through physical wires or fibers. Next, internet layer is responsible for packaging the data into understandable packets and allowing it to be sent and received. Besides, transport layer enables devices to maintain a conversation by ensuring the connection is valid and stable. The last one, application layer defines how high-level applications can access the network to initiate data transfer. And the fourth component is network defense. While nodes, links, and protocols form the foundation of a network, a modern network cannot exist without its defense. Security is critical when large amounts of data are generated, moved, and processed across networks. A few examples of network defense tools include firewall, intrusion detection systems IDS, intrusion prevention systems IPS, network access control NAC, content filters, proxy servers, load balancers, and many more.
Next, we will see the types of computer network.
Personal area network. Personal area network is computer network for interconnecting electronic devices within an individual person's workspace. Personal area network provides data transmission among devices. There are some characteristics to show if it is personal area network. First, it provides interconnection of technology devices surrounding a single user. Second, it's used low data rate application in home automation. Third, it can include mobile devices and appliances. For example, keyboard that connect with computer are personal area network because it have characteristics that show it is a personal area network. What is local area network? Local area network is computer networks that interconnect within a limited area such as residence, school, campus or office building. There are some characteristics to identify if it is a local area network. First, it is a private network, so an outside regulatory body never controls it. Second, local area network operates at a relatively higher speed compared to other world area network systems. Third, there are various kinds of media access control methods like tokening and Ethernet.
The next is Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network, MEN, is a type of computer network that spans a city or a large campus. It is designed to connect multiple local area network LANs within a specific geographic area such as a city or a metropolitan region. MANs typically cover a larger area than LANs but are smaller in scale compared to wide area network, which is ones which can span across country or even continents. Key characteristics of a metropolitan area network MEN include geographic coverage. MENs cover a metropolitan or city-sized area which can range from a few square kilometers to several dozen kilometers. Second one is high-speed connectivity. MENs often provide high-speed data transmission capabilities, enabling the efficient exchange of data between different locations within the metropolitan area. 3. Ownership of management. MENs can be owned and managed by private companies, government agencies, or service providers, depending on a specific implementation. Last but not least, wide area network. 1. A wide area network 1 is a type of computer network that spans a large geographical area, typically a city, a country, a continent, or even the entire globe. Ones are designed to connect multiple local area networks, LANs, or other smaller networks together, allowing them to communicate and share data over long distance. Key characteristics and features of WANs include: first, large geographical coverage. WANs can cover vast distances, connecting devices and networks that are separated by considerable physical distances. Second, public and private infrastructure. WANs can be established using a combination of public and private infrastructure such as leased line, fiber optic cables, satellite links, and the internet.
Now, let us go through some applications of computer network in our daily basis. First of all, the resource sharing. It allows users to share one hardware or software among multiple users. For example, printers, fax machine, and Android Studio. Secondly, e-commerce. It allows users to make online transaction or booking via internet network. For example, hotel booking and e-wallet. Thirdly, communication. It allows users to communicate with each other even at a long distance via platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. Last but not least, entertainment. Nowadays, users can watch films, television shows, or creating animation via online platform. Some applications that are famous to watch films included Netflix, Disney Hotstar, and Viu. And now we will see the 4 advantages of computer network. First and foremost, it promotes the enhancements of communication. By this new technology, it has made networking faster and more advanced. Software such as messaging, sharing images, voices, and anything through textual messages have connected many users globally. Secondly, we can easily share data or file. By having computer network, different users can access the file or data remotely if we keep it on other connected devices. Thirdly, computer network also increase storage capacity. This is because networks allow multiple computers to access the same database, increasing the amount of data that can be stored and accessed. Last but not least, it improves customer service. By having computer networks, we can enable faster response times and more personalized interactions. Nevertheless, everything has its bad sides. And now, let us move on to the 4 disadvantages of computer network. Firstly, computer network may lack of data security and privacy. This is because there would be a huge number of people who would be using a computer network to get and share some of their files and resources. A certain user security would be always at risk. There might even be illegal activities that would occur which you need to be careful about and aware of. Secondly, there might be the presence of computer viruses and malwares. The reason is because if even one computer on a network gets affected by a virus, there is a possible threat for the other systems getting affected too. Viruses can spread on a network easily because of the interconnectivity of workstations. Moreover, multiple systems with common resources are the perfect breeding ground for viruses that multiply. Thirdly, computer network has a lack of robustness. How can that happen? This is because if a computer network's main server breaks down, the entire system would become useless. Also, if it has a bridging device or a central linking server that fails, the entire network would also come to a standstill. Last but not least, computer network requires an efficient handler. By having computer networks, we can enable faster response times and more personalized interactions.
That is all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.